Welcome to the Bailey how-to series of videos, and in this video we'll be looking at your hob, grill and oven. Now we're in a Bailey Unicorn at the moment, which has this worktop extender above, and it's important to always raise this before you use anything, which simply lifts up and pops into place. And you also have a glass cover here. So if you've just arrived on site, remember to turn your gas on and to check the isolator switch, which is located in the kitchen. So you're leveled up, your gas is on, and now you're ready to use the hob. So the controls for the hob, grill and oven are all along the front. Now because we're in a Unicorn, it has a dual fuel hob, which means this one at the back left is electric, and all you do for that is turn it on. So if you're using the gas elements of this hob, all you do, select the one you like to use, press, turn, keep it pressed in, press the igniter, hold for a few seconds, and then it's ready to use. Now moving down from the hob down to the grill, the controls are still on the front and they work the same way as the hob. So you have a grill pan here with the grill there, and that has a gas element in it. So again, all you do, press, turn, keep it held in, press the igniter, wait a few seconds, and then the grill is lit. Now, if you have a gas oven at home, this is going to be very familiar for you, because all you do, again, press, turn, but you have your gas settings here, your temperature settings. So press, turn to whichever setting you'd like, ignite it, wait a few seconds, and then your oven is lit. Now it's worth noting that everything must be cool before you put these covers down, and with the hob here, to make sure you use the correct size pans, and they should be about 18 centimeters. So with everything cool, you can lower these covers and then you're ready to enjoy your dinner.